Did you know that Mistro and DJ Mafarisa are actually biological brothers? Many Amapiano fans know them as two successful artists, but not everyone knows they come from the same family. DJ Mafarisa, whose real name is Themba Sekowe, is the older brother of Mistro, whose real name is Chiamiso Sekowe. Both were born and raised in Soshanguve, South Africa. Although Mistro had the advantage of learning from one of Amapiano's biggest producers, he has always worked to build his own identity in the music industry. He has also spoken about the discipline and guidance he received from his older brother throughout his career. Today, both brothers have become respected names in Amapiano, proving that talent truly runs in the Sekowe family. Next up are Da Musical Chef and Sam Deep. Did you know these two talented Amapiano producers are actually biological brothers? While both have built successful careers in the genre, they have also become known for working together on several popular releases. Some of their best-known collaborations include Moya and Dlala, two tracks that showcase their chemistry in the studio. Their strong family bond and shared passion for music have helped them become one of Amapiano's most respected producer duos. Together, Da Musical Chef and Sam Deep continue to make a major impact on the South African music scene. Next up are Major League DJ Z and Musaki. Did you know that Major League DJ Z and Musaki are actually cousins? Major League DJ Z, the famous twin brothers Bandile and Banele Mbere, have publicly referred to the award-winning singer-songwriter Musaki as their cousin. Their family connection has been acknowledged on social media and in interviews, where they've shared their support and appreciation for one another. Next up is Daliwonga. Did you know that Daliwonga has a twin brother? The Amapiano star's twin brother is Dalanjibo Matiwani, also known as Dale Matiwani. Although Daliwonga became the more recognizable name in the music industry, the two share a special bond as identical twins. While Daliwonga continues to win fans with his unique vocals and chart-topping hits, many people are surprised to learn that he has a twin brother. And those are some of the Amapiano artists and producers you may not have known are related. Which family connection surprised you the most? Let us know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss the latest Amapiano news, rankings, stories, and music updates. Thank you for watching Conke Piano. Until next time, stay connected.